Pretty bird. Hi, sweetheart. I have treats. You want a treat? Of course you do. You're welcome. Baby. Oh, what a pretty bird you are. You're literally a pretty bird. You're a very pretty bird. I love that pretty bird. Sweet little pretty bird. Oh, baby. Hi, pretty bird. Who's that pretty bird? Pretty bird. See my hands here, and you're not going to bite it, are you? Yep. What are you thinking? I'm not letting you step up immediately. I'm just getting you used to my arm. It's a nice arm. It's got little bite marks on it. From you. My little pretty girl. My little pretty. I love you, pretty bird. I love pretty bird. Yay, pretty bird. I know, sweetheart. You're in approach avoidance, and that's okay. You want to come out, but you're also not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Come here, let me pet you, though. Come here. Come here, I want to pet you. Come here, I want to pet my girl. I want to pet my pretty girl. Oh, there she is. That's what I needed. What about you? Do you need some petting? Were you a little traumatized last night? You were a good girl mostly. You're mostly a very good girl. I love pretty bird. I love pretty bird. Yes, I do. Look at this. One more. And an arm that you're not going to bite. You're not going to bite this arm, are you? See the arm? It's an arm. Oh my gosh. It's an arm.